Alright, today I want to do a quick unboxing on this TPMS tire pressure monitoring system. This is like the third one I get because the little batteries ran out, and instead of replacing the batteries, which are expensive, I'll just buy a whole brand new unit for the same price. And every time I get a new unit, I get new devices. So here we have our tire pressure sensors. These will just go on the stem of the tire or the wheel, and we have our monitor right inside this little bag, and I already have it charged. Comes with a charger cable, comes with the monitoring device, set of instructions, and the tools that you'll need to lock it into place. Alright, so like I said, I already have mine charged, and I'm not going to use these little locks. You really don't need them. You just need them if you don't want anyone to steal them, I guess. But here are the old ones. They don't have the locks on them. And then we'll just choose the front left. Here we have it. This is the driver's side. We'll put that on here, and let's actually turn on the monitoring system so we could see it live as it gains pressure. Okay, so here it's still showing 0. So let's continue putting all our little sensors on our wheels, and as soon as we're like done, it should all pick up already. And then the same thing with this one here, and we'll do right, left. Put that sucker into place, and then move over to the other one, and you can see that one already is reading. And then the same thing over here. And then we just have to calibrate this right, so it will read the way we want it to read, and it also reads the temperature on it. Hopefully the battery is good on that front left one, because all of them are starting to read like instantly. Oh, I hope you have battery life. Let me try to adjust you one more time, and it has an alarm letting you know that there's one that is not reading. So we'll give it a second, and there we have it. Alright, so now let's set up our settings. Alright, and this is also solar chargeable. So it's solo chargeable. You have the USB to charge it. It has the battery display. It has the alarm, sensor disconnection alarm, alarm symbol. See, the alarm is off and that symbol is gone. It has for Fahrenheit and Celsius, has for PSI and bar, and pH and LH. Not too sure what those are. pH is maximum pressure, and PL is minimum pressure. Sweet, so you can actually calibrate all that. Alright, so let's see, let's get started. Press unit, bar. Oh, press the M. To enter setting mode, long press M for 3 seconds, then the buzzer beep will enter settings, and short press M button to select setting equipment parameters, including the pressure unit, bar, PSI. Okay, so let's see, memory, hold for 3 seconds. Alright, so there is that bar. Now it's at PSI, Celsius, Fahrenheit, and oh nice, pH. So this will be the maximum tire pressure set. I want maximum tire pressure set at 40 just in case. And then the lowest, let's do 27. We'll do the lowest 27. That's a good, actually, well, these here, but I do have aftermarket wheels. They'll tell you right here that your tire pressure for the front should be at 32, the rear should be at 29, and your spare at 60. 32 and 29. 27 will be perfect. Okay, and what is this one? TH, best temperature setting. Maximum temperature uses value 154. Sure. Okay, I guess we'll hold the menu button. Boom, and there we have it. That is my current tire pressure on every single tire. I'll remove the old one and mount this one up on top. Here is the old one. Oh, sucker is on there good. Son of a biscuit. All right, so there it is. The tape is pretty good. Freaking got stuck behind. And I actually cut this little film here so the sun could actually hit it. Oh man, this double tape is good as heck. I kind of want to leave it on there. Oh no, you're ripping my tint. Let me take the sucker off. All right, it is all set. We'll remove the protective adhesive of this double-sided tape here, and we'll stick it on. And I'll just try to line everything up. There it is. And I'll move it upwards. No, I put it upside down. All right, I flip it around. This shit is funny. And there we have it. And that is my view. And I'm able to look at my tire pressure monitoring system here. And then you can just hold the power button. I think, let me see. Yeah, you're gonna have to hold it because I'm pressing it and nothing's happening. But you hold it and it turns off. And then it's solar rechargeable. I just give myself enough gap up here so I can press these buttons. I'll turn it back on. This one I kind of like because I had a little swivel, a little click swivel, but it's all good. This one still works. I just have to replace the batteries on those little sensors. But like I said, I'd rather just replace the unit. Sweet. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.